Hello, first graders. Over the next couple of days, we're going to be really working on measuring objects, comparing objects, and differences between shortest, longest, tallest. So our standard that we're working on is I can measure objects with non-standard units. So to get started, we're just going to jump right into comparing lengths. You can compare the lengths of objects. So here we have a paintbrush is longer than a pencil. So this paintbrush right here is longer than this pencil. And then we have this tube of paint. Is the tube of paint longer or shorter than the paintbrush? Well, it's shorter. So we would circle shorter than. Here's a helpful hint. The length of objects can be shorter than others and longer than each other. So here we have three objects. We have a picture of a dog, glasses, and a marker. The picture of the dog is longer than the glasses, and the glasses are of course shorter than the marker. The marker is shorter than the picture. So is this picture longer or shorter than the pair of glasses? It's definitely that picture is longer. And you know what I really like? If you look at my arrow here, I like how they lined everything up, right? That's very important to line up our objects to compare them. Oh, look at that, longer than, we were right. All right. Then we're going to move on to comparing those three objects. You can take any three objects in your house and compare them. So what's interesting is here we have this paint, and they have a number 3 underneath it. Does that mean it's the shortest or the longest? Well, I kind of need to look at my other items to see exactly what they mean. If I were to think about it and line these up, these scissors are definitely shorter than the paint. And I think these scissors are definitely shorter than the pencil. So that means this number 1 means it's the shortest. Number 2 means it's in the middle. It's not the shortest or the longest, and the paint is the longest. Now I have to look at the next problem. Again, they have numbers underneath them already for me, so I need to figure out what that means. The paintbrush, I would say, looks like it's longer than the bookmark and longer than the pen. So I think that's why it has a number 1 on it, under it, because it's the longest. Then the bookmark, it's not the shortest or the longest, it's the middle. And then the pen, which is the shortest. Yeah. So here, I just have 2 objects I get to compare. I'm going to get my pen so that I can actually circle so I can do what the directions tell me to do. Number 1, which is shorter, the paintbrush or the paint? It's kind of hard because they're not lined up, right? So I have to visually think of them lined up, and I'm going to say the shortest is definitely the paint. I'm going to circle that. Which is longer? Ooh, I'm pretty sure it's that pencil. So I would circle, ooh, messy circle, the pencil. All right, now, oh, and look, we got it right. Woohoo! Now I have a little video for you that you're going to watch on comparing lengths. Here we go. So I'm going to pause that video because the rest of it we'll do on Wednesday, because next she talks about non-standard measurement, which we will learn all about. But for today, that is our lesson. So today, after you're done with this lesson and watching this video, you're going to go to your IXL, you're going to click on Learning, and there's so many great things on here, but we're going to find, oh, we're first graders, so we're going to go to first grade, and then we're going to go, oh, look, there's measurement. And I want you to do P, so that's what this stands for right here, this P2. P2 is compare objects length and height. And when you click on that, it takes you into this really fun game that you get to play, and you get to answer these questions. All right, have a great day, and we'll see you later.